Community Food Share was founded in 1981. That year, we were able to provide 50,000 meals as we began to raise awareness about hunger in the community. As the need for food assistance has grown, so have we, and in 1998, we moved to a 22,000 square foot building near Niwot that we called home for 15 years. Last fall, we opened the doors at our new location in Louisville, a 68,000 square foot building with state-of-the-art food storage and distribution capabilities. This year, we are on track to provide 8 million meals valued at over $13 million to those in need of food assistance in Boulder and Broomfield counties. As we go about our daily lives, we may not see the need around us, but at Community Food Share, we see the faces of hunger every day. There are over 56,000 people who are living in poverty in Boulder and Broomfield counties, and we have over 14,000 children enrolled in school-free lunch programs in the Boulder Valley and St. Vrain Valley school districts. To distribute food directly to struggling families, we launched the Feeding Families program in 2004. Parents with children in school-free lunch programs in the Boulder Valley and St. Vrain Valley school districts are able to fill a grocery cart full of nutritious food once each week. In the new building, we have been able to serve more families and offer more nutritious food choices than ever before.
My name is Christy. I am a mom of 2 kids, and my husband works full-time, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. And Feeding Families has helped me because we get the produce and dairy products that we need that we can't always afford. So it's very nice, and I'm happy to have it. Our family deeply appreciates it, and we are very grateful for your contributions.
Mi nombre es Delia Llanes.
I have 4 children, and we are very grateful for this food. It is helping us every week.
Gracias por esta comida.
In addition to our direct distribution efforts, we have a network of 47 member agencies that receive food from us free of charge each week. Most member agencies acquire the majority of the food they need for their programs from Community Food Share. The extra warehouse space has allowed us to create a dedicated shopping area for our smaller member agencies.
The majority of the food that we now distribute comes from Community Food Share. So as a member agency, it allows us to have that reliable source of food every week.
Each morning, our drivers load the trucks and make deliveries to our larger member agencies, including Sister Carmen Community Center in Lafayette.
Without our food program, many families in our community would go hungry or would feel much more food insecure. And Community Food Share is a great source of food for us, so it's a very important partnership.
Once deliveries are done, the drivers pick up donated food from grocery stores all over Boulder and Broomfield counties. In addition to our longtime supporters, we are thrilled to add Lucky's Markets and Trader Joe's to our roster. In 2013, we were able to rescue 3 million pounds of food from grocery store shelves. At the same time our trucks are out making their rounds, volunteers are loading up the van and making stops at multiple locations to deliver food to low-income seniors as part of our Elder Share program. In September, Mother Nature threw us all a big curveball with major flooding throughout our area. Immediately after the floods, we provided hundreds of emergency food boxes to the disaster assistance centers and mountain areas, and we increased food distribution to the member agencies who were also serving those affected.
When the flood initially happened and the town of Lyons had to be evacuated for close to 2 months, once people were allowed to return to the town, we opened the food pantry beyond our regular client base to anybody in the Lyons community who was in need of food. All the food that was distributed came directly from Community Food Share as the flood relief food.
In the new warehouse, we were also able to set up a weekly distribution for people who were displaced from their homes and/or economically impacted because of job loss or damage.
I'm up in the left-hand Jamestown area, and it was real scary, the whole flooding. Everybody was lifted out around me. I'm very thankful for the food share in making food available for me and my family, and it's helped me immensely. So I'm very grateful and appreciate all that they're doing. Thank you.
Many of our staff members have been with Community Food Share for years, and this accumulated experience is key to our ability to quickly respond to crisis and to continue to meet the ever-increasing need. We could not do what we do without generous donations of food, funds, time, and talent. Sue manages over 2,400 volunteers every year who put in 34,000 hours of work and are the equivalent of 16 full-time employees. White Wave Foods alone donates 2 million pounds of food annually, along with sponsorship of the Springfest Gala and lots of volunteer power.
So I'm Mandy McMicken, and I'm the training coordinator at White Wave Foods. It's one of the things that makes me most proud about working for White Wave is all that they give back to the community.
Other local food producers are also part of the team, and their contributions are enduring and invaluable. Corporate partners have become an increasingly important part of our success, and their dedication and commitment is a win-win for everyone involved.
There's the muscle, Erica. I'm so glad you're here. Get on that forklift, Erica, and get going.
Hi, my name is Erica Brown, and I'm a Senior HR Director at Digital Globe, and we are so excited to have the opportunity to volunteer as an entire team. It's fun to be here. It's fun to have some time outside of work with our coworkers. It's such a great cause, and we're happy to be a part of it.
Hi, my name's Jody Schwartz. I work for Ball Corporation. It's a great team builder to bring your staff out. It's such a good feeling to be able to give to people that have less than you do. It is a lot of fun, and they're just great people out here at Food Share.
Through our membership in Feeding America, the nation's 200-member food bank network, we have access to semi-truckloads of staple items and fresh fruits and vegetables that would otherwise go to waste. Donated funds help pay the transportation costs. Now, with the increased racking space and larger refrigeration unit, we are able to take full advantage of the availability regionally and nationally of fresh produce and frozen products. The tremendous support we receive from the community has helped us become one of the most efficient and effective Feeding America food banks in the country, and we are able to provide 4 meals for every $1 donated. What began in earnest 33 years ago has become a complex and far-reaching enterprise today. We work hard to ensure that every donation of food, funds, or time is honored and used to maximum benefit. At Community Food Share, we touch many thousands of lives every year. All of the food that we distribute is free of charge, and the bottom line has always remained the same. At the end of every day, we know that there is a family out there having a good meal together because of us.